In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a list in Apollo.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new list, name it clearly, refine it with filters, bring in contacts from a CSV, and finalize it so it's ready for outreach. First, from your Apollo dashboard, head to Prospect and Enrich. This is the workspace where you'll spend most of your time finding, organizing, and enriching contacts and companies. Once you are there, look for the List section. Lists are your organized containers for people or companies you want to track, segment, and later use in sequences or exports. Inside lists, you'll see options to create either a people list or a company list. Pick the type that matches your goal. If you're planning outreach to individual decision makers, choose a people list. If you're organizing target accounts first and plan to add contacts later, a company list is better. For this walkthrough, we'll create a people list. Choose the option to create a people list, and you'll be prompted to enter a list name. Use a clear, consistent naming convention so you can find it quickly later. For example, you might include the segment, region, and month. The point is to make the purpose instantly obvious to you and your team. Next, you can apply filters to shape who belongs in this list. Filters are powerful in Apollo. Think title or seniority, department, company size, industry, technologies, or location. Start broad if you're exploring a new market, or go narrow if you have a tight ideal customer profile. The clearer your filters, the cleaner your list will be. You can always adjust filters later as you learn more. If you already have contacts you want to bring in, choose Upload CSV. This is helpful when you've sourced names elsewhere and want Apollo to organize them in one place. Before you upload, make sure your file is clean, with consistent headers like first name, last name, company, and email. Keeping your data tidy now saves time later and helps avoid duplicates. Large files may take a moment to process, so be patient while Apollo handles the import. When your settings look good and any CSV is uploaded, go ahead and create the list. Apollo will generate it and you'll see it appear in your list view. From here, you can open the list to review entries, refine filters if needed, and get it ready for the next step in your workflow, like enrichment or adding the list to a sequence. That's it. You've built a structured, reusable list in Apollo.io that supports targeted outreach and better organization.